Paxful tutorial for beginners, how to use Paxful wallet. If you would like to use Paxful wallet as a complete beginner, like a crypto wallet, right? Now you can actually totally use the Paxful app. In this case, I'm just demonstrating from my browser. Once you've set up your account, you've logged in, assuming you've verified your account and done everything else, you want to start trading. To trade, first of all, you have to buy certain cryptos. So let's say today the value of Bitcoin decreased. So you wanted to buy Bitcoin. So you went to the buy section here, you went to buy Bitcoin option. You would be able to choose a payment method, enter the amount of Bitcoin in the euros or whichever currency you'd like to buy, and then just click the buy button. If you bought for a certain amount, did the value of that crypto increase, which means you have a certain amount of surplus or profit. In that case, then you can choose to sell that crypto for a higher price, and the remaining amount is actually your surplus. To sell it also, you want to go to the sell option and click on the sell Bitcoin or whichever crypto. And obviously, you want to add some payment methods like your bank transfers, gift card. Also, they accept online wallets, digital currencies, cash payments, debit, credit cards, goods and services, and other options as well. Now, if you want to convert some of the cryptocurrency, convert option. If you want to view your dashboard where you'll be able to see your offers, pay rate offers, trade statistics, and everything, you'll be able to find him here as well. If you go to the wallet to generate your wallet address if you want to receive any type of crypto with someone. If you click the profile icon from the top right and you navigate through this, you can add a payment method. You can go to settings to customize most of your account settings, where you'll find the trade history, trade partners, your transaction history, and whatever else it is. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.